Within 1 hour.
1 hour.
I transferred the amount.
Spoken to him.
हाँ.
By 8:30 we have closed the deal.
I transferred the amount. तो वहीं पे रख दिया. और लाइक भाई हो गया, ला लिए गाड़ी. अभी I had mixed feelings. गाड़ी आ गई, लेना था नहीं लेना था, क्या था कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. And I'm just thinking कि अब ले लिए लाइक हाथ डाल दिया. There's no going back. Let's start. तो गाड़ी चलाया मैं,
Hit the streets, we're rolling deep. Hyderabad's finest.
वेलकम टू कार रोमियोज एंड एज यू प्रॉमिस्ड आज हम लोग zen के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जो हमने रिस्टोर की थी. एंड एज यू कैन सी द कार इज स्टैंडिंग. जिस तरीके से हमने मॉड किया था उसके बारे में एंड इज अबाउट द जर्नी ऑफ zen कि कहाँ से हम लोग गाड़ी खरीदे एंड हाउ इट वेंट ऑन एंड हाउ द जर्नी वाज. सो दिस वुड बी द फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ 2. सो इन दिस सीरीज विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट zen and कैसे we restore mod it and आगे जैसे भी हुआ journey will be explaining it. So let's begin with अबरार भाई. तो
okay, journey of zen. तो ऐसे हुआ था कि I thought I would want a small car because having a Laura drive in the city with all the pro drivers that we have in Hyderabad. मतलब वो होता ना, मुंह बचाए तो पिछवाड़े पे पड़ती, पिछवाड़ा बचाओ मुंह पे पड़ती. It was all that. So that's where I thought कि why not get a small car for the family. Now उसमें issues ये आ रहे थे कि what car do I get? Because Laura का maintenance, considering I actually have another Baleno, मतलब 2020 Baleno है, फिर Maruti 800 भी थी. So I thought I would get a Santro. मतलब because we already had a Santro and height के हिसाब से मतलब you get that enough headroom and Santro. So then मुखीत उन लोग से डिस्कशन, आप लोग से डिस्कशन हुआ तो then things came out कि why Santro? मतलब no, not Santro. Let's see if we can get a Baleno. Old one, 1.6 Baleno. So that is where the discussion started. अभी मेरा issue ये था कि I already have a Laura. 1.6 Baleno is again a sedan for me.
Correct.
Where do I park 2 sedans? I wanted a hatchback, so that वो कहीं पे भी park हो जाए and there shouldn't be any issues there.
Correct.
So that is where we were discussing कि if not that then what? Somebody suggested a Polo, and then I was like no Polo. Maintenance नहीं होगा, Polo है. German. Already I am having a German. Why do I again get into all that?
Zed.
So that's where Mukhit came in. So then Mukhit came in. Mukhit was like, भाई Zen लेंगे. I was like, हाँ Zen तो ले सकते हैं. But then I already had a Maruti 800. Then I was like, why again a Maruti? Let's see something else. I went for Gets.
800 is 10,000.
Correct. See, वो तो for sure था. Then I was looking for a Gets. Because I thought कि हाँ Hyundai Gets, because that was again a very peppy kind of a car. और ऊपर से आपको क्या है, power steering, AC and all that was a little good there. So I thought I'll go for a Gets. But then again, Gets ka I couldn't get that much of a good feedback there because of the mileage part. And everybody will like, भाई जब आप छोटी गाड़ी ले ही ले रहे city के लिए ना, look for something where you'll get a mileage, a better mileage, and it should be reliable, spare parts, etc. So that is where Zen, and then we shortlisted to Zen, and then the journey began. We started searching for a Zen. I don't know. I checked almost like 7-8 Zens. Majority of them were rusted.
Correct.
Problem with them is either they were abused or they were used for learning how to drive. So that was a problem with Zen. Then एक गाड़ी देखे थे. I took Rahman Bhai with me. That was an amazing car. हाँ, 2.
Gachibowli, second and third.
Gachibowli का I don't want to talk about it. That was a dangerous car. मतलब बाहर से इतनी साफ थी गाड़ी, and the moment you open the bonnet, you have rust falling off. It is not just rust on the body, but the rust patches were falling off. So it was that dangerous. But then the papers were valid. So that was one reason कि I considered it. And then we went and saw another Zen, which was a 2000 model Zen. Amazing condition. मतलब वैसी गाड़ी शायद ही पूरे हैदराबाद में शायद ही पूरे हैदराबाद में paper valid.
The engine, spec,
Carburetor.
interior, but it was carburetor.
हाँ, तो the only thing why we had to rethink about it was carburetor, and we wanted an MPFI because अभी हमारा plan कुछ और था कि अभी तो ले लो, in future let's see.
future.
मतलब मुखित को पकड़ो and let's see what
Swap.
next needs to be done, engine swap and all that.
Swap.
So that is where हाँ मेरे को क्या आता से याद आया कि hey मुखित also had a Zen
Correct.
and I had sat in that Zen. I didn't drive that Zen.
Yeah,
for-
and it was
1.6
yeah
Zen.
1.6 swap by Baleno engine, right?
Correct. So
Correct.
that is where I thought कि why not get a 1.6 swap done later अभी नहीं. So
Correct.
that was a reason for choosing a Zen. इतने गाड़ियाँ देखे. That car I was somewhere okay shortlisting it because that was an amazing deal. No, it was a little expensive, but the car was really good. मतलब हम I think that was a 2000 car. हम 2024 में door open करे and it was
Smell
still
like a still new one.
it still smelled like a new
New
one.
one.
Single owner, woman, some
Lady
auntie,
driven.
lady
Lady
driven car
Lady.
types थी वो.
Mhm.
बहुत अच्छी कंडीशन में थी. And the guy who kept it also, he kept it really good. He also had another Carbon.
Carbon.
हम बोले कि भाई ये छोड़ो वो दो. Like no, I'm not gonna give them. आप ये है, आपको चाहिए तो आप ये देखो नहीं तो or else it's up to you.
Hmm.
So that was a discussion that we had.
But
So
the
we-
deal was little bit higher to our expectations.
See, it was like जो मेहनत करा बच्चा वो गाड़ी पे, he was just asking that price. ठीक है, for a
Value
instance,
for
I would say
the
कि
way he
ठीक है, the way he maintained it and the kind of parking
Parking.
it had. Parking देख के आप समझ जा सकते हैं कि गाड़ी कितनी अच्छी मेंटेन है.
Hmm.
Dedicated parking for a Zen,
Damn.
and he was selling it only because of a parking issue that he had.
Ah.
तो उनसे बात की है. I told him I'll take it. I asked him, do I transfer you some token amount? Then he was like, nahi, papers are not with me. They are with my aunt, and that aunt is in Mumbai. So I need to send her the documents.
Kind of sketchy.
Send her the documents. She'll sign it there, and then she'll send it back to me. And that will take another 1 week.
Okay.
I was like, bhai, aapke paas original RC hai and all that. Give me the documents, I'll get it done. He was like, no. I will get the documents and everything couriered to her. Let her sign and we'll get it.
Okay.
We were like, okay, चलो ठीक है, ये भी ठीक था. हम बोले कि चलो जाने दो, ये भी छोड़ दो. I waited for another 3-4 days. 5 days actually. 1 week हो गया. And then I called him. मैं क्या हुआ? And he is like, हाँ मैं करता हूँ.
We saw that car on Friday. Another Friday, next Friday.
Next Friday.
We have done the deal for this car.
Correct. So it was a Thursday, next Thursday.
Next Thursday.
And then I called him.
7 days.
हाँ,
We
I
have
called
done
him. कि क्या हुआ? Then he comes back to me saying कि भाई allow me another week because she is busy. I'm like, bhai, see, first of all, the price that you quoted was overpriced. I was still ready for it. On top of that, you asked me another month. It was almost a month that I was in a discussion with him.
Correct.
You still delayed. On top of that, now that I'm following up with you, you come back to me saying कि और एक हफ्ता लगेगा. So it's like, first of all, nobody would buy that car for that price. But still, if that's what I'm paying you, you should follow up with me and not me.
Correct.
So I kind of didn't get that positive vibe there. And मैं रहमान भाई को बोला कि भाई ये नहीं होने वाली बात है. On top of that, that's a carburetor.
for the MPFI.
We wanted an MPFI.
MPFI.
ECU आएगा, सब आएगा, power steering, oil steering, and everything will come in that.
But
चलो.
कार में कुछ भी नहीं था.
वो तो
It
It was a very basic LXi.
basic version.
No power steering, no power windows, nothing. But the car was very good. करके we went ahead. Then I told Rahman bhai,
That car 24 hours on original condition with original color.
हाँ, it was an original car.
All OG.
वो बोल सकते हैं आप. तो मैं रहमान भाई को बोला भाई नहीं होने वाली बात है वो. Looks like that deal. I don't think we'll be able to go ahead with that. आप एक काम करो. Let's hold on for that deal for now. And 1-2 महीने रुक जाओ. Because 15-20 गाड़ियां देख ली है. अभी frustrated हो गए. छोड़ दो.
Yeah.
So he was like, ठीक है जैसा आप बोले. And we left it. I get a ping on my WhatsApp from the ex-owner of this car. उन्होंने पिंग करके मेरे को यही पूछे कि भाई I saw your chat or I saw your ping in the group
that you are
कि you're looking
car.
for a Zen.
Okay.
I have one which is with me. If you're interested, let me know.
Okay.
And I was like, can you share me the documents and the pictures of the car? And he sends me the pictures. It was around 7:30 in the night. evening.
7:30.
हाँ. So he sends me the pictures, he send me the documents. I figure out कि हाँ papers valid है गाड़ी की. एक दो महीने कुछ pending थे उसमें expire होने. But the papers were valid. The papers were on his name, and the car was the top model.
Okay.
You had
What we are looking for.
हाँ, it was exactly the same car what we were looking for. And then I spoke to him. हाँ.
Last variant.
हाँ, top model.
Top
मतलब
model.
you, it was like power steering, power windows,
Center lock.
rear wipers, etc. etc. पूरा सब था. So we thought, why not? एक बार देख के तो आएंगे.
Correct.
Then I called Raman bhai. I'm like, भाई आप जहाँ पे है, he was around in the same area, Sun City area में. I'm like,
Town, I guess, right?
Hmm.
आप जहाँ पे है, गाड़ी भी वहीं पे है, बस 5-10 मिनट की दूरी पे है, एक बार देख लेते हैं. And he is like, ठीक है, मेरे को क्या करना है, I am here, मैं जाके देख लेता हूँ. So I gave him the number, everything. He went, he saw the car. He came back, he was like, भाई काम है गाड़ी में. For sure कामा है.
मैं था उनके साथ में.
नहीं आपको बाद में भेजे हम. नहीं.
First time जब
पहले सबसे पहले रहमान भाई आ गए. हाँ. तो रहमान भाई गए, रहमान भाई देखे करे. He was like, भाई गाड़ी ठीक है. I'll not say good, I'll not say bad. गाड़ी ओके है. आपको जो होना वो है. बस इतना है. प्राइस आप नेगोशिएट कर लो. अगर अपने बजट में हाँ.
गाड़ी नहीं था. But लेकिन प्राइस नेगोशिएट.
अगर अपने बजट में बैटरी तो गो हेड विद इट. अपन अपने हिसाब से पूरा काम कराना पड़ता. देख लिया ना मैं बात करता हूँ. I spoke to the guy. He was also a genuine guy and he wanted to sell it also. तो उन्होंने एक ही बात बोले कि भाई देखो आई एम ओके एंड वी नेगोशिएटेड. थोड़ा चला हो 10-15 मिनट नेगोशिएशन चला एंड हर चीज हुआ एंड देन ही केम टू आवर प्राइस. आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू डिस्कस द प्राइस दैट वी बॉट द कार. तो हमारे बजट में आया एंड देन आई कॉल्ड रहमान. लाइक भाई एक काम करो सर, वो आगे वाले जो है उन्होंने मान within 1 hour. I transferred the amount.
Spoken to him.
हाँ.
By 8:30 we have closed the deal.
I transferred the amount to Rahman bhai. Rahman bhai went there, paid the amount, and then he was like, भाई मैं तो मेरी 2-wheeler पे हूँ, मैं कैसा करूँ? Then I said, मुखित को बुला. That is where हम मुखित को भेजे. हाँ, because even he will check once करके. तो हम लोग गए वहाँ. मैं तो गया भी नहीं, मैं तो घर पे ही था.
नहीं आए थे.
रहमान भैया मुखित दोनों गए. They saw the car, closed the deal, took the papers, signed whatever had to be done, everything done, and they bought the car and they kept it at Rahman bhaiya's parlor, that ice cream parlor which he had.
Yeah.
तो वहीं पे रख दिया. अब they like भाई हो गया, ला लिए गाड़ी. अभी I had mixed feelings. गाड़ी आ गई,
गाड़ी आ
लेना था नहीं लेना था, क्या था कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. And I'm just thinking कि ले तो लिया, अब कर. अब for me I had that original car in my mind.
Okay.
वो बैठ गई थी.
वो
हाँ. I started comparing all the other cars with that car. And Rahman भाई like वो सब छोड़ दो, आपके बजट में आई. You can get it done as per whatever you want.
Correct.
Because that car was very overpriced. Double, triple than this actually. तो अब ले लिए. Like हाथ डाल दिया. There's no going back. Let's start. तो गाड़ी चलाया मैं. चलाने engine wise it was good. Everything was fine. So we thought कि ठीक है. Let's go ahead. हो गया.
रन्स भी ले लिया गाड़ी पे.
हाँ वो runs वगैरह करे, pulls वगैरह करे, and then we figure out कि चलो ठीक है, टिकता engine. It will not fall off. There's something else, something where you can build on.
Correct.
ठीक है, the base was
ready.
The base was ready. So and then I took an assurance from the previous owner कि भाई देखो 2 महीने में पेपर expire हो रहे हैं. Now if I get it transferred on my name, I have to pay the transfer now and then again I have to pay for the renewal cost and all that.
Correct.
So it's better that I'll get the transfer and renewal both done.
Correct.
So he was.
बहुत अपने साथ.
हाँ, he cooperated. He was a really good guy. He cooperated. He was okay with whatever we said. He was fine with whatever discussions we had with him. तो वो सब था. हम गाड़ी लेने आ गए. अगले दिन हमारे एक अजहर भाई बोल के हैं, उनको कॉल किया मैं, भैया जरा आओ. We have to first get this car mechanically fit. That was the intention. हाँ, तो उन्होंने आए. He took the car. He left home.
Just hold on. Whenever you purchase a second-hand car, the first thing is getting it, mechanically fit. because if not, it might lead to various safety reasons on your presence on the road. So please avoid driving cars. Exactly, go for
Exactly.
maintenance. All right, let's continue.
So mechanical work started the very next to day of when we purchased the car. तो एक मैकेनिक से ऑलरेडी बात करके रखे थे, उनको बोल के रखे थे कि भाई फ्री रहो, गाड़ी आ रही, पूरा A to Z जो मैकेनिकली काम है उसमें फिल हैव टू गेट इट डन. तो ही वाज रेडी. हमारे प्रमोद अन्ना बोल के हैं, बालनगर सिकंदराबाद साइड है. तो ही वाज लाइक ओके फाइन. वी वेंट अहेड विद हिम. अजहर भाई के पहचानत के थे वो लोग, तो वी गेव द कार टू हिम. नाउ फ्रॉम देयर द सिलसिला स्टार्टेड.
Silsila of
It was a 2003 car which was almost 20 years old, and जो चीज हाथ लगा रहे थे was breaking down.
ouch.
That was a problem that I faced. Now my issue was I am a guy who wants my car to be like
Tip top condition, not a scratch.
it has to be perfect. Like
Exactly.
the day it comes out of the showroom, it has to be that way.
Correct.
Irrespective, I might not drive it for years, but I want the day I start driving it, it has to be that perfect. At least that perfect. Next, at least near to that perfect. So I was like, भाई जो चीज इसमें हो सकता आप कर लो. Everything brand new. But I want OEM.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Now the problem with the monopoly that these guys are doing these days in the market is, एक तो आपको OEM spares नहीं मिल रहे.
Correct.
You get all first copies, second copies, third copies, and double and triple the prices of the
Correct.
spares.
MRP की if MRP is around 100, the duplicate product is for around 200 or 300.
And they strike off the original
Yeah,
price on
MRP.
that, and then they said. So I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, but spare source कहाँ से करेंगे?
Correct.
That is when I started calling Mukeet. मुखीत को कॉल किया. मुखीत को बोला भाई I don't know what are you up to, but I want all the spares and genuine spares. I put Mukeet on the run. And Mukeet was like, don't worry, अपनी गाड़ी है, घर की गाड़ी है. His dad also had good links. He had good links.
Correct.
He's like, I'll get you everything. जितना हो सकता उतना OEM.
Correct.
Again, no assurances there कि हर चीज OEM मिलती, but जितना हो सकता उतना OEM लाएंगे सामने.
Correct.
And almost अपन पूरी गाड़ी OEM
हाँ.
तकरीबन गाड़ी
almost 95 to
OEM.
90%.
Yeah.
So that is where Mukeet was on the run. 4 दिन लगे, 5 दिन लगे सामान जमाने.
पढ़ के शायद
5 दिन, एक हफ्ता,
हफ्ता तो
1 week was only in gathering all the spares.
Damn.
मतलब वो ऐसा हो गया, लेके जाके शेफ को दे दिए. अब उन्होंने राशन
यहाँ दे-
लिखा रहे. हाँ.
यहाँ दे दिए, फिर दूसरी जगह जाओ, वहाँ से लेके आओ, फिर उनको दियो, फिर यहाँ से लाओ, फिर उनको दियो. ऐसा
So
चल रहा था.
we had to get everything down except for the engine. I didn't want to have the engine down करके पूरा rebuild करना, because I didn't want to do that. I first wanted to see कि will this car survive?
Definitely, because
हाँ.
almost 22, 23 years old car.
Will this car survive?
See that.
Correct.
Will
Correct.
survive or not.
वैसा
अब
हिसाब हो गया था कि
हाँ.
like कि अब you're gonna build a car, but is it gonna sustain it or not?
Correct. Will this car be able to take the pressure that we are trying to put on?
Exactly.
Or does that make sense? Ki I just throw away this engine, put a new engine in that, maybe a newer Baleno or any other engine
Correct.
swap on. So my intention was ki, is it worth spending so much on this car? So that is where we thought ki let's first rebuild this same thing, and then let's see if it is required or not.
After a while,
हाँ.
after a year.
After 6 months
6
रहना
months.
दो, एक साल रहना दो. And on top of that, I had a renewal of the car. That was supposed to be. अब मैं engine swap करूँगा, renewal के लिए problem हो जाएगा,
problem हो जाएगा.
पूरा drama start हो जाएगा. So I didn't want to take all that risk. So
वो भी
I like
process
हाँ.
on the way है.
हाँ, तो
Renewable ना होगी.
अभी नहीं, that's top secret. किसी ने कुछ नहीं सुना.
हाँ, so that's where it started. So mechanic भी, he was very cooperative. So he opened everything.
Every single
Every single thing. मतलब उसको जो आंखों को bolt से बोल्ट से उसको टाइट दिखा, उन्हें खोल दिया. आई वाज लाइक भाई तू इतना दिल पे ले लेके खोल दे रहा, सामान ऐसी चीज खोल जो मेरे को मिलना.
Correct.
खोल देंगे, मेरे को सामान नहीं मिलेगा.
Problem हो जाता.
व्हाट इज दैट? देयर इज नो पॉइंट देयर. तो ही इज लाइक नहीं आप टेंशन मत लो, अगर वो नहीं मिला तो बोलो, आई विल सर्विस इट
service.
या आई विल गेट इट फ्रॉम अफजलगंज.
Correct.
Now, for all the viewers out there, Afzalganj Bahadurpura market.
Correct.
It's something that we need to prepare a blog on.
Yes.
Mukesh.
Where we can, discuss where we can find different car parts, whether it be a classic or a new car.
You get all the new model cars spares in Bahadurpura.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. So let's park that for now.
Yeah, it would be a discussion for another video.
True.
Some other
So
Yeah.
हर चीज खोल दी है. Steering rack was gone. Dry shaft.
Dry shaft.
मतलब उसमें everything that was just bolted on the car was all dismantled, opened, including the timing chain, timing kit, few water pumps, timing bells, all the AC compressors, everything, the fans, condensers, radiators, हर चीज जो उसमें दिख रही थी, we had to open everything, brake pads, brake shoes, brake axle, rotors, drums,
This
you name it, and I can tell you that's replaced.
We have
हाँ,
opened it.
we replaced it. That's it.
Just for a perspective, we can say that the car right now stands as a genuine Zen that came out of a showroom.
You can say that we try to put it as OEM as possible
Uh-huh.
with a minor touch-ups.
Minor touch.
MGP.
It's like हर चीज जो कर सकते थे,
We did
including the smallest springs that are in that, I got them changed. अभी कोई मैकेनिक के पास गए या स्टोर पे कहीं गए थे MGP के Rotex or something. हाँ, so we went to Rotex and that guy was like, भाई ये सामान आकर है, in future नहीं मिलता है,
ले लो.
I'm like वो दे दो. That's how I bought stuff. I'm like, and then the mechanic लेके जाके उसको दिया, ये डालो. He's like, ये
इतना कि सामान ऑलरेडी स्टोर
हाँ,
करके
ये गया था क्या अब? गया नहीं, छोड़ दे भाई, तू डाल दे. He's like, वाटर पंप क्यों लाए, वो तो अच्छा था, डाल दे. टाइमिंग चेंज डाल दे. हर चीज, मतलब ये नहीं मिलता कहते फ्यूचर, डाल दे. हाँ,
Going to be,
Difficult to
not
find.
correct. We
don't get the second masterpiece of that.
Second masterpiece.
OEM
Replica, okay.
Kind of replica.
Second
masterpiece.
copy.
a copy. क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know. So we bought everything that he had in the store for Zen. I'm like, क्या क्या सामान है आप निकाल के ऊपर रख दो. उसमें जो होना हमको हम ले लेते. He's like, तुमको होना क्या? Like, सब होना. He's like, तुम लोग मतलब we wanted each and everything that was available except for the engine block. My intention was not to open the engine block because I didn't want the originality of the car to be disturbed.
Once the engine is opened up,
Correct.
there are very
proper balancing of
it's
that.
not balancing the block. You have to get it. What do you call it?
Facing and
Reboring and
So,
everything.
my intention was, except for the engine block, let's open everything that is visible to a human. So that's how I got everything opened. जितना खोल सकते थे. Again, disclaimer there. We opened everything. We got everything done. We made sure that if something that can be replaced, let's replace it.
Okay.
उस हिसाब से गाड़ी का काम हो. Now we had a lot of difficulties for example dry shafts.
Drive shafts.
It was Mukhid who got the dry shaft done. And इतना torture किया ना dry shaft. It was all jammed. The left one opened normally, but the right one.
The right one was stick to the engine block.
Not the engine block. It goes into the gearbox, I guess.
The gearbox.
Yeah.
Right one. You're talking about the right one. You get
Yeah.
gearbox at the left side.
So I'll tell you. It was stuck in the axle.
Axle. Yeah.
Your what do you say? The wheel bearing and the axle.
Yeah,
the
yeah,
bearing
yeah. It
actually
was-
locked inside.
हाँ ये टायर में
हाँ.
डिस्क केस में लॉक
This
हुआ था
में
ना.
lock हो गया था.
That must be the wheel bearing. We must.
So what had happened is,
Kind of.
Okay.
the hub पे you have those meanings, those teeth.
Yeah.
So they
Correct.
actually got grinded and it got jammed inside. Now we tried a lot कि उसको free करें because we wanted to remove that dry shaft. Now उसमें problem क्या हो गया कि we had to run to a lot of lathe work guys, hydraulic presses everywhere. Nobody could open it. Finally we thought why not? अब जब
Buy a
इतना
new one.
replace कर रहे हैं तो dry shaft भी नया डालो and वो एक्सेल भी रोटर वोटर सब नया डाल दो, छोड़ दो, खत्म करो अब डाल के, नहीं खुल रहा हो. तो these guys were coming back and then they saw some
3
place.
days रुकी हुई थी ना गाड़ी.
हाँ,
वो काम
3
नहीं
दिन बस उसी के लिए रुकी हुई थी.
Hmm.
Now I went and spoke to multiple people. They said no, you might get a dry shaft but you'll not get the axle. the drum and
The
the
drum
front
and the
of
wheel
axle. हाँ, wheel hub etc. Wheel hub is what we call it.
Yeah.
तो मैं बोला भाई अब नहीं मिलता तो कैसा? नहीं आपका क्या हुआ? मैं बोला वो फंस गया नहीं खुल रहा। वो बोले ला के दो मैं खोल के दे दूँ। मैं बोला कोशिश कर लिया मैं 10 जगह बता लिया हूँ खुल रहा ही नहीं। वो it actually got jammed so badly that it was not up. तो अमीर पेट पे एक जना है उसके पास जाओ हील ट्राई करके बोले मुखीत के घर के पास। तो
रिवील नहीं करने का था बहरहाल।
हाँ
कंटिन्यू।
No problem.
मैं बोला भाई मेरे से नहीं होता मुखीत आप ही जाओ। तो मुखीत और अजहर भाई दोनों गए निकल के गाड़ी मेरी गाड़ी 2 व्हीलर लेके गया थे बर्गमैन पे। नो द प्रॉब्लम इज चालन भी लाए लोग
ओह
नो
डैम।
राइट शाफ्ट पकड़ के failed
Well, at that point,
an attempt to hide the number plate उसके पैर से। I don't know who was sitting पीछे कौन बैठ गया। हाँ he was driving failed attempt ऐसे पैर पूरा पहुंचा भी नहीं उन्हें फोटो ले। I don't know what was these guys trying to do। तो पैर हो गया there now that guy he literally broke open the axle in the hub। मतलब 3 टुकड़े एक लेके गए 3 टुकड़े करके दिया उन्हें। ड्राई शाफ्ट तोड़ दिया एक्सिल के पास से तोड़ दिया बेयरिंग हाथ को आ गए एवरीथिंग वाज जस्ट डैमेज बट ही ओपनड इट। आई लाइक बेयरिंग प्रेस करवा लो हो जाता आपका काम। आई लाइक चलो ठीक है नए व्हील बेयरिंग
प्रेस करा था।
हाँ
जो अपन इंजन बोर्ड करते हैं ना।
देन वी वेंट बॉट न्यू बेयरिंग्स गॉट इट प्रेस्ड एवरीथिंग डन। चलो हो गया नए ड्राई शाफ्ट लाए नए ड्राई शाफ्ट में रिपेयर्ड ड्राई शाफ्ट। नो वी डिडंट नॉट दैट वन वी गॉट अ repaired new dry shafts which I was strictly against it। मैं मेरे को नहीं था कि भाई फिर से
लेकिन अवेलेबल तो नहीं था।
रिपेयर करके वो सब but these guys are like नहीं चलते अच्छा चलते don't worry we got that we installed it everything done हो गया गाड़ी पूरा कराए। फिर then I said कि चलो फिर अब जब mechanically fit हो गई let's go ahead। So that mechanical work took me 3 weeks 3 to 4 weeks or a month almost a month because उसमें हाँ the problem was mechanic का काम हो गया 2-3 दिन में but the spares part took a lot of time and जब तक गाड़ी बनी नहीं तब तक गाड़ी उसके बेचारे के वर्कशॉप में ही खड़ी। Finally somehow we managed to get the car on road and then we said कि next क्या करना है पेंट करवाना है। तो पेंट के लिए क्या करें डेंटिंग को देंगे। डेंटिंग के लिए there is a guy called Ghaus bhai हिंदुस्तान मोटर्स ओल्ड वोइनपल्ली सिकंदराबाद दैट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेस। ही नोन पर्सन मतलब मेरे डैड एंड ऑल उनके जमाने से उन्होंने काम करते तो वी वेंट देयर उनको दे दिए। नाउ दैट गाय ही लुक्ड एट मी ही इज लाइक किसकी है गाड़ी? मेरी है। ये कहीं को लेके फिर रहा तो मैंने कहा अरे मेरे को बनाना है जी तुम बनाओ। ही इज लाइक अच्छा ठीक है। देन ही टोल्ड ही गेव मी अ डिस्क्लेमर गाड़ी पूरी तेरे हिसाब से बना के देता हूँ बट कब दे तो नहीं पूछना।
Okay.
हाँ I was like
that's always a story with the painter। गाड़ी
no it was only the denter part painter का तो शुरू भी नहीं हुआ सिलसिला। now my problem is ठीक है तुम लो तुम्हारा हिसाब से टाइम लो बट कितना लेते एस्टिमेट तो 5 दिन लेते 10 दिन लेते 20 दिन लेते। now this guy he started playing around 2 महीने भी लगते 6 महीने भी लगते साल भी लगता। बोला एक काम करो तुम उसके अंदर बिस्तर डाल के क्या चाहिए। देन ही स्टार्टेड लाफिंग ऑन मी ही इज लाइक मैं बोल दिया ना तेरे को तू जा मेरे हिसाब से मैं गाड़ी करता हूँ। अमेजिंग गाई लाइक मेरे हिसाब से मैं काम करता हूँ मेरे हिसाब से डेंटिंग करता हूँ मेरे हिसाब से सब करता हूँ। तुम बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है कहाँ डेंट जरूरी है कहाँ डेंट जरूरी नहीं है वो मैं देख लेता। तेरी गाड़ी बोला ना तू जा। आई वाज लाइक अरे भाई देखो कुछ भी। एंड देन उनके बच्चे देयर इज वन गाय सोहेल and then there's one guy Akram। So Akram is the main guy there and Sohail is the guy who helps him and Sohail also puts in his efforts। तो Akram and Sohail were like भाई आप जाओ पापा ऐसे ही बोलते हैं हम करके देते हैं आप टेंशन मत लो। I was like चलो ठीक है अब आप उतना assurance है because I got all my cars there all my cars got dented there। तो बोला देखो सोहेल भाई गाड़ी साफ होना अच्छी होना। ये लाइक आप टेंशन मत लो आप जाओ अब हम देख लेते। I was like चलो ठीक है because I know them and I had the trust on them। गाड़ी दे दिए हैंड ओवर हो गया निकल गया। I think 2 दिन उन लोग गाड़ी हाथ में ही नहीं लगा मतलब nothing they didn't even start the work। I went after 2 days to see कि कहाँ तक पहुँचा they didn't even start it। Then I got pissed off I started shouting at them क्या भाई ऐसा करे वैसा करे तुम ये नहीं करे वो नहीं करे। This guy not a word कुछ नहीं बोले खाली देख रहे मेरे को उसके बाद मेरे को बोले सामान आ रहा है इसका। मैंने क्या सामान आ रहा है? दोनों सामने पीछे के बम्पर्स मंगाए पप्पा,
Damn.
साइड के मिरर्स। मैं बोला अरे मत मंगाओ साइड मिरर्स, मुखित को बोल दिया था, मुखित ला लिए मिरर्स। अच्छा ठीक है, हेडलैम्प्स। आई मीन हेडलैम्प्स क्यों? तो दिस अपेरेंटली द राइट वाला हेडलैम्प वाज ब्रोकन। वो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, पता नहीं कुछ हुआ था, तो उसमें क्या हो गया था, वो टूट गई। तो हेडलैम्प नहीं थी, तो नाउ फॉर देम टू सेट द फेंडर्स एंड द बम्पर्स एंड एवरीथिंग दे नीडेड अ हेडलैम्प, सो दैट वो रख के उसके हिसाब से सेट करते अलाइनमेंट। वो सब नहीं था, तो लाइक हम तुम्हारे को कॉल करेंगे, तुम जाओ देख ले रहे पापा। अरे भाई बिल कितनी डालते हैं, छोड़ दो घर की गाड़ी, आप जाओ। That's all. I was like भाई घर की गाड़ी बोल के खतरनाक आजकल चल रहा है। हाँ बिल बन जाता भाई। देन लाइक अरे जाओ ना अब्रार भाई, आप कहीं को टेंशन ले रहे हैं। ठीक है। So they bought new this thing and the fender was too bad in condition. But these guys are like no यही fender set करेंगे, नहीं हुआ तो then we'll see. The bumpers were all cracked. बम्पर्स बहुत बुरी हालत में थे। उनके जो पिन्स आते, जो क्लिप्स आते जिसमें बम्पर, those were all broken. मतलब the binding wires and all that, screws and all that. So I just told them one thing, I don't need screws, I don't want binding wires, I don't want anything, I want everything to be perfect. So they were like अच्छा ठीक है, जितना कर सकते हैं उतना कोशिश करेंगे। They started off denting and I think it took them 10-12 days to complete the denting. I'll send you the pictures, you can post them, the videos,
Yeah, sure.
everything. The kind of work that has gone through in that.
Yeah.
उन लोग बोले कि भाई हम विंडशील्ड भी निकाल दे रहे हैं, एक नया डला देंगे विंडशील्ड, क्योंकि विंडशील्ड।
Thank you for joining on episode 1, and we promise you will bring more updates on the Zen and how the journey was in the next episode. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. And thank you once again, and drive safe again. Bye-bye.